Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the JBL Professional 305P Mark II, a 5-inch two-way powered studio monitor designed for near-field music production, desktop setups, and high-fidelity audio listening. This speaker is built for creators, producers, and audio enthusiasts who want accurate, detailed sound without stepping into ultra-high-end price territory. Whether you're mixing tracks, editing podcasts, producing beats, or just upgrading your desktop audio, the 305P Mark II is designed to deliver clarity and balance you can trust. If you're interested in picking one up, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the 305P Mark II has a clean, professional studio look. The black finish is minimal and functional, fitting easily into home studios, bedroom setups, or professional workspaces. It doesn't try to look flashy, it's clearly designed with performance in mind. The build feels solid and well constructed. The cabinet is sturdy, and the front-facing design includes JBL's signature Image Control Waveguide around the tweeter. That waveguide isn't just for appearance, it's engineered to improve stereo imaging and provide a wider sweet spot. This means you don't have to sit perfectly still in one exact position to hear a balanced mix. Since this is a powered active monitor, you don't need an external amplifier. Each speaker has built-in amplification, simplifying your setup. Just connect your audio interface, mixer, or desktop output, and you're ready to go. Keep in mind these are sold individually, so if you're building a stereo setup, you'll need to purchase two. When it comes to sound performance, clarity is the main focus. The 5-inch woofer delivers tight and controlled low-end response, while the high-frequency driver provides crisp, detailed highs. The result is a balanced frequency response that helps you hear subtle details in your mixes. For music producers, that balance is critical. You want to hear when vocals sit too far forward, when a snare is too sharp, or when bass frequencies start clashing. The 305P Mark II gives you that honest representation, helping you make better mixing decisions. Stereo imaging is another strong point. Thanks to the waveguide design, instruments feel properly placed across the soundstage. Panning effects, reverb tails, and layered elements become easier to distinguish. That spatial accuracy makes a noticeable difference during mixing and editing sessions. Even outside of professional production, these monitors perform well for everyday listening. If you're using them with a desktop computer for hi-fi audio, you'll notice a major upgrade compared to typical consumer speakers. Music sounds cleaner and more detailed, without artificial bass boosts or exaggerated highs. On the back of the speaker, you'll find balanced XLR and TRS inputs, giving you flexible connectivity options for different audio interfaces and studio gear. There are also boundary EQ controls that allow you to fine-tune the speaker's response depending on placement. If your monitors are close to a wall or in a smaller room, these adjustments help maintain balanced sound. In near-field setups, where the speakers are positioned close to you on a desk, the 305P Mark II really shines. It's optimized for that listening distance, which makes it ideal for home studios and compact production spaces. Another advantage is reduced listening fatigue. Some speakers can sound harsh after long sessions, especially in the high frequencies. The 305P Mark II maintains clarity without becoming overly sharp, making it easier to work for extended periods without discomfort. Build quality feels dependable for long-term use. The cabinet construction minimizes unwanted resonance, and the internal amplification is designed to stay consistent even during longer sessions at moderate volume levels. When it comes to value, the JBL 305P Mark II offers strong performance in its category. It provides accurate monitoring, wide stereo imaging, and solid low-end response at a price that remains accessible for beginners and intermediate producers. Instead of chasing hype or exaggerated sound signatures, it focuses on delivering reliable, studio-grade performance. Over time, accuracy and consistency are what truly matter in a monitor speaker. The 305P Mark II is designed to give you a sound you can trust, whether you're producing music, editing audio, or simply enjoying high-quality playback at your desk. Overall, the JBL Professional 305P Mark II is a well-balanced, thoughtfully engineered studio monitor that combines precision, clarity, and affordability into one clean package. If you're looking to upgrade your near-field monitoring setup without overcomplicating things, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.